how to use shall, will and would in a sentence. Let's check it out. Shall. We use shall with I and we for formal future. I shall come soon. We shall come over. It's also used in promises or formal writings. Will. Will is used in future with any pronoun. We use will after I, we, he, she, they, etc. She will join tomorrow. Will is used in future tense. Will shows plan and prediction. Would. Would is the past form of will. Would is also used for polite or imaginary situation. I would help if I could. Would you like some tea? Remember, shall is for formal, will for future, and would for polite and imaginary situation. Thanks for watching.